Hello everyone, Namaskar.
Namaskar.
This bhajan is an amalgamation of the Hanuman Chalisa, which was written by Tulsidas, and the Singhs, the Mukherjees, and the Gangulis have come together through Monjoy Mukherjee, who's put this project together.
And we are planning to release it on the 24th of February on my dear Joy Das' birth
87th,
anniversary.
87th birth anniversary,
And,
yes.
so
And by chanting this Hanuman Chalisa, it gives you focus, it gives you power, and it gives you strength. So that's my wish for everyone. Our very dear son Siddharth has done the music, Monjoy has put this project together, and Joy Neil has sung in his childlike voice. So I really hope that all the children there are able to focus and chant this for at least 21 to 40 days for the results of peace and love and positivity and strength to come into their souls. Wish you all the best in this incredible journey.
यहाँ मेरे बेटे सिद्धार्थ ने इसका म्यूजिक बनाया है, कंपोज किया है. And ever since he was in his teens, he's been making music. He was always involved and interested in music, and it's been a great journey for him. And it's been wonderful watching him grow as a music director, as a person who's now composing and singing himself. मुझे ये बात अच्छी लगी कि एक बच्चे ने गाया है और बच्चे की आवाज़ बड़ी अच्छी और तैयार है, तो इट्स अ वेरी मीनिंगफुल भजन and a powerful one.
The pace of it, and it just makes your heartbeat slow down and makes you relax because it's sung by a child. Every child will be so
Inspired.
easily be able to do that. So I just hope the children out there start doing it early. God bless all of you all doing
of
such
you.
lovely work and spreading positivity.
जो भी आपने किया है,
Yes.
जो भी अटेम्प्ट है ये, मैं आपको बहुत सक्सेस विश करता हूँ, and I hope you go a long way in this journey. I've always enjoyed his music. He started very early in age, and then he was so confident. So I remember the first music that he recorded. He was so sure of himself. In fact, I rushed back from the shoot thinking I'll be of help to him. But when I went to the studio and he was so surely directing everybody and making the music and recording the music, that I kept myself away. And I still have it, and I still listen to it, and they're fantastic pieces of music.
Yes, of course. I remember the day my mother sent the piano that Kishore Kaka used to play on, and I was upstairs, and the piano was pulled up through with ropes, and all it was placed here in the living room. And suddenly I heard some beautiful music playing, and I just walked down, and I looked, and there was Siddharth just playing the piano, and I'm saying, Sid, where did you learn to play the piano, Baba? And he says, looks at me, and he says, Mom, why didn't you get this piano earlier? And I said, how did I know you could play music? So he's entirely self-taught. He's has learned the flute on his own, the harmonium on his own, and I think it's just there in the genes. Like Kishore Kaka had it, and everybody, it's just there in the genes. That's it. So he plays the guitar, does tabla, whatever,
He's the
and his
Mozart
lyrics.
of the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all my friends, especially the ones who are into music, real deep and classical music, they call him Mozart. In fact, it was a great news for us that he was working for Bonjoy, as he's known, and we were very proud that both of them got together and making this Hanuman Chalisa.
God bless this creation, really,
Yes.
deeply from our heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well, my name is Siddharth Singh, Siddharth Kawaljit Singh, and this is my father, Mr. Kawaljit Singh, and my mother, Anuradha Singh / Patel. And I've been very privileged to be born in this house, which has raised me in a way that I can just do whatever I like without being forced to be a doctor or an engineer
or an
any
actor.
or an actor as well. How did I stumble upon music? I always liked music. I remember in my sixth grade, I was 11 years old, and the teacher just asked me to sing in one of the classes, and I sang, and I felt this euphoria inside of me, and that's when I realized that music is my passion. And I remember some other things like just picking up any instrument very easily. So I did have a sense of a gift, which I didn't know that I had a gift, because obviously as a child you don't know these things. I just felt like everybody knows it if they tried it. But yeah, I had a gift in the sense of learning piano or any instrument that was in front of me. Yeah, firstly, it was actually Mr. Monjoy's idea, Monjoyji's idea, who's also my mama. And he told me, like, let's make a Hanuman Chalisa. I said, great. And he's like, just have a listen to Joy Neal. And I heard Joy Neal's voice, and I found it very innocent and beautiful. So I worked with him in a couple of sittings, and I was like, let's just figure out a way of getting him on the mic and uh, exploring the idea of 13-year-old singing a song. And yeah, and he's at a stage where uh, a man's voice hasn't broken yet, so it's a very interesting stage, because the control is very how do you say it, it's not uh, we don't know where his voice is going to go next in the next couple of years. So it's a very good initiative to capture that moment in his life.